Hello, my dear sweetheart subscriber. Welcome back to my channel GL Manhwa. Hate you and I like you. Chapter 19. So let's get started. Manhwa hai ha. Aaron, why aren't you eating? I'm not hungry. Besides, I'm already full just looking at you. Do you want something to drink? I'll go grab it. For you, espresso, some lemonade is fine. Got it. I'll be right back. Oh, wait for me here. Hey, Jisoo. I haven't seen you in a while. I heard you're already doing your internship. Oh, hey, Hannah Minji. I've been swamped with work lately, MD. Yes, sort of. You must not get much time to relax. Our old class is organizing a reunion. There'll be tons of fun stuff. Performances, games. Will you come? When is it? Next Saturday. Don't even think about skipping. Yuri Sonbei wants to see you too. But Jisoo, who's this girl? We've never seen her. And new friend? Ah, yeah, my new friend. Oh, Hawk, Jisoo, could we meet for coffee and a chat later? We could go to karaoke bars just like we used to. Grab this. Sorry, but I've been quite busy these days. Oh, push. Really, that's a pity. We miss you a lot. Haha, sorry. Humped, it's been 3 days there, and those faint marks are still there. Is this what you do to your friend? Stupid? Where should I put these? Jisoo. Yeah, you're done? Can you help me with it? I can't get this thing hooked. The cat reaction. Are you helping or not? Yes, come here. Jizu, didn't you try this on when you bought it? Aaron, it's not new. I just haven't worn it in a while, so maybe it doesn't fit as well anymore. Jizu, yeah, it's really a bit small, but why do you have to wear a bra at home? Aaron, I'm going out to buy a couple of things. Really? I should go with you and get you a new one if this one's giving you trouble. No need, really. It's fine now. There. All done. Sai, thank you. Hey, it's not a big deal. Are you really that dumb? Or you're just pretending not to understand? What do you, why did you tell them we're friends? Those girls are into you, do you know? First, you casually bring up Kang Yun Ha, and then you go and tell those girls, I'm just your friend. Am I your friend? And no. Aaron, I thought you gotten smarter over the years, but you still enjoy getting under my skin sometimes. Sorry, I didn't know it would make you feel uncomfortable. Apology not accepted. I was really upset, Kim Jisoo. Prove it. What? Prove to me you care about me only. Do you hear me well? Like, Adi, yeah. But how don't tell me you don't know what to do. Kiss, if you love me, you should already know. Tight. She's really your me. You're doing this on purpose, aren't you? You purposely dressed up like this. You're only realizing that now. In that case, I won't be polite either. Don't expect me to go easy on you. Kiss. Look how angry the cat is. This cat is so cute. Fall young Aaron, your cat, is really naughty. I think her owner deserves some punishment now. W, what you dare? Why wouldn't I? Don't forget I haven't gotten even with you yet. What is it? Let me see. Onya, Hana, Minji, and that Yuri Sunbai. Looks like you've got a fan club, huh? You're right. I'm quite popular now. But out of all those girls, you're still my favorite. Stop saying stuff like that. I'm just stating the truth. Besides, I really don't have anything with them. Sai, Wait, what are you doing? I have to find a way to ease my girlfriend's worries. You dummy, Aki! Jizu, that's why it'd be a shame if I didn't do something about it. Bang. Does Rin know how to unlock the door? No. So no one will disturb us, right? Are you scared of getting caught? What are you talking about? There's no one else here. You're right. It's just the two of us. Bite, kiss. But I'm talking about your naughty cat. She's gonna give you another scratch after this. I don't mind it. As long as I have you here with me, I won't let any distractions in. You're even more naughty than your cat. I wonder what's running through your mind. Stop talking. How do you expect me to be quiet when you're this cute? Want me to draw the curtain? Took you long enough to remember. But no one's here, only the sky. If you still feel uneasy, I'll switch off the lights. No need. Uh, did you just hear that? Rin's still here. Can I lie down? I don't feel comfortable sitting like this. Ah, sure. Just relax. Are you more comfortable now? Jisua. I'm here. Don't bite my neck. It's ticklish. Then where should I kiss you? Do you even have to ask me that? I'll go further. Bang. Grr. Looks like this cat will bite someone today. I hate your cat. Russell, Russell. They're both sound asleep. Cuties, I suddenly want to sketch her. Would that be weird? Touch. She's beautiful. Kiss. Omga. W. When did you wake up? I wasn't even sleeping. Yeah, why did you kiss me? That was just a peck. I did it on purpose to see how you react. Then why don't you take a look at my reaction? Are you shy? I'm not shy. Your ears are completely red. You're really bad at lying, Erin. Remember when you had me fooled into thinking we were a thing? Erin, why are you suddenly bringing that up? I still feel a little bitter when I think about Erin. Then stop thinking about it. Okay. Jizu, all right, I won't bring it up anymore. By the way, you seem to really enjoy school. Would you like me to help with your tuition? What? How did you not dice? I could tell from how happy you were about school today. And I also overheard you talking to your sister the other day. You don't want to take her money, but you can rely on me. We're lovers. I won't let you struggle alone. You're so good to me, Jisoo. Well, call me your sugar mama. Stop saying silly things. What I'm just stating facts. Impossible. I bet you like it. I don't. Yuri Sonbai. Jisoo, I'm back at school now. I really miss you. Can I come over? Gulp. Swift creak ring ring. Hello, Jisoo. Hello, Sonbei. Let's break up. Again? Why do you keep talking about separations, Jisoo? Sunbay, we're already over. You disappeared and haven't contacted me for months. I thought you understood that. But I never said I agreed to break up. I only gave you time to think. That's all it's Sunbay, honestly. I shouldn't even have to explain this again. What do I have to do to make it clear enough for you? You weren't explaining, you were making excuses. I'm not making excuses. I have a girlfriend now. I don't buy it, Tilda. Even with someone as good as Kang Yunya around, you're not interested. How could you have a girlfriend? See you soon. Jizua, I'm telling you, Yuri Sunbai isn't your savior. She's your storm waiting to happen. I should have listened to Yuna. All right, Miss Yuna. Dr. Kang Wonhee. The good news is that most of your test results are within normal ranges. Your overall health looks good. CT scan, oxygen levels, and spirometry are all fine. However, your lung capacity is slightly below what I would expect for someone your age. You've had history of asthma, allergies, or respiratory issues, right? I had severe asthma as a child, but I haven't had an attack in years. That could explain the slight reduction in lung capacity. I'll prescribe you a simple breathing exercise routine to improve. You should also try to stay. Are you listening to me, Miss Unha? Yes, Dr. Kang. Please continue. Come on, Yunha, think. Use your brain. Why does she look so familiar? Her look, her voice. I've seen her somewhere before. Who is she really? Ah, smile. She. Shh. Huh. Let's keep this between us, all right? She even knows what I've been thinking about. Sorry, B, but I don't get it. It's, why are you here? I thought you someone as smart as Kangunya surely doesn't need to be told what to do, right? Yes, of course. I'll keep our meeting to myself, Dr. Kang. Nod, nod. Could I really like people who only need to hear something once to understand? A, thank you. It's already been a week since that night. Yuri Sunbai kept sending me messages. Yuri Sunbai messages. Made some coffee. What are you up to? I love you. Sleep well. I saw a cat today that looked exactly like that stray you wanted to adopt. Should I go back and adopt it? You will not believe what happened at work today. My coworker totally embarrassed himself in front of the boss, and I had to try so hard not to laugh. It reminded me of that time you spilled your own classic. I have no clue what to do with her at this point. Flowers? The city council has approved a new housing tada. Do you love it? I saw them and immediately thought of you. Roses? I saw them on my way home, so I stopped by to get some. They said 9 roses symbolize eternal love here. Gulp. Anxious. Gulp. Ah, sniff, sniff. Ah, are you allergic to flowers? Sorry, I didn't know. Let me throw them away. I snatch. Don't you dare throw it. But you. It's just a mild allergy. I can handle it. Huh. Acha, it's fine. Really, I really love it. Thank you for the flowers. PFT. Laugh if you dare. Guess who made me end up like this? Sorry, sorry, poke, poke. Erin, my school has a design program too. If you're still deciding, maybe you'd be interested in checking it out. I'll consider it. I'm currently focusing on Illustrator. Ah, I didn't know that. I just took a break, but I'll be back next semester. That's cool. Do you have any projects you've worked on? I'd love to see them. What's wrong? Why didn't you answer the phone? Mm, nothing important. Nothing important. You looked kind of nervous there. Just a difficult client, the type that never stops complaining. If you're this scared of answering calls, maybe you should just quit your job already. Super unprofessional of you. Yeah, just joking. Chuckles, sigh, Yuri Sunbai. Call me back or I'm coming over. I'll call you later. Let's see what happens next. Thank you so much for supporting me. And please like, share, and comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.